Key takeaways so far are that an NFPA 25 is the minimum standard for the testing, inspecting, and maintenance of the fire pump system. Customers are reactive versus proactive. It's kind of been that way since I've been in the industry. And a PM program is required. Now, this last bullet kind of says input is needed. It's there today. So you've got two manufacturers that have given input and have laid out their programs. I strongly suggest you take a look at their websites and actually take a gander at what they've suggested out there. Um, Now, I want to talk now about why we need preventive maintenance. If you didn't know, there is a huge concern about fire pump systems not being properly maintained or tested. Again, on the controller, we know that's the case because there's never been a PM program in place that tells you how to maintain or test it. This doesn't mean that certain locales or certain companies didn't establish some type of maintenance program or some type of standard operating procedure. What I'm telling you is it wasn't set up based on the manufacturer's recommendations. So with that being said, you take companies like Factory Mutual, they're one of the biggest insurers in the world. They are definitely concerned about it, and it kind of led to why they created the new standard FM 1330, which talks about remote monitoring and remote testing of the fire pump system. They're concerned the systems are not being tested, so they've created a system that allows you to do that from a remote location. Now I'm not here to judge on whether that's a good or a bad thing. It's definitely a good thing as long as you're running the pump and like you're supposed to verify everything's okay. But there are a lot of steps that need to be taken before that can happen. Proper maintenance is critical to make sure that control system is always ready at all times. If there's a fire, you want that system to start fire off and do what it's designed to do, which is operate to destruction to make sure we save lives and we save property if possible. Preventive maintenance is just a proactive approach to the upkeep of the system. And the solution that I'll be posting today or talking about today is all about helping customers be more proactive with maintaining their systems.